Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have two boxes here. Both of them are Coach bags. One of them is a third-party person, and then the other one came from Coach. Look at my bag, y'all. I mean, my box. This is the way it came. So let's just hope that my merchandise is not affected. So give me just a second, guys. All right, I'm back. So we got a box. I got a bag that was on clearance. So it's part of the summer sale, I believe. I saw someone else. The guy on TikTok that's always talking about Coach. He's a hairstylist. I don't remember his name, but he's pretty big and followed a lot. And he was showing off his. And I was like, oh, but it's on the men's side. And so I had never seen this one. So I started looking at it online, and I was like, oh, that looks good. So this is, I think it's called the Andre. Yeah, Andre Barrel Bag 30 in Pebble Lane. And I wasn't too interested in the barrel bags, but I do like myself a Boston bag, and because the other barrel bags just look too little. But this one is in size 30, and it looks really good. All right, so let's take a look at it. I think the sticker is upside down there. All right, let's see. Let's take a look at him. So since it's on the men's side, I'm calling it him. I wanted the one in black. They do still have it from the last time I checked. But I thought about all the black ones I have already. I have the compass. I have the other little duffel one that, I forget what the name of that one is, that Coach did like a couple of months ago. It was a really good price. I was so surprised at the price. It's a outlet one. And the leather is really nice on it. And so I wore that this past week. And I loved it. So, but it's black, and so I feel like I had too many blacks. So I opted to go with, I think this is maple, and this is nice. I like the leather on this. Let's see. Yep, it's maple. That's the code. Last time I looked, it was still available. So this was like $159, I think. Not bad at all. Especially when we talk about Coach. Coach has gone up so much in the prices. So last night I was looking through my old orders. I was looking for a purse so I can link it. I might have been 2 nights ago when I was about to post a video, and so I wanted to link the old purse that I had, and I was just looking at the prices that I paid last year for purses, and what I'm paying this year, and it's gone up a lot, y'all. And I guess sometimes you don't really notice it. Well, I noticed it, but you know, the difference is huge. But anyways, so for this to be $159, I think this is pretty good. All right, so we got this short strap that that is. Let's see, it is detachable, not adjustable. We got some branding here. I love silver hardware, super cute, and the leather is really nice. Let's see, and I think it's really pretty. That maple looks really good against silver. All right, so let's see what's on the inside. I think y'all that like bags to collapse, I think you're gonna like this one. It seems pretty squishy. I don't mind per se the ones that get squishy in some bags, but I am a structure girl. But I like this one. All right, so let's get all that out. So you got a slip pocket in the back that snaps, and nothing on the front side, and then you have just this big cavity. Really nice. And this is big enough, you know, and you get this fabric strap. I like the big thick strap. I like that a lot. With a little leather right here. So this is going to, oh, that's neat. So you can have a charm or something, or an accessory hanging off it. Very nice. Okay, so that is that bag. And look how squishy it gets. That's not my thing, but I don't mind it in this, you know. All right, so I'm gonna put that to the side, and I got one more bag. Now I bought this one from a YouTuber, Ola May, in her shop. I think it's called Ola May to Go or something like that. But anyway, I will try to label it. She looked like she did a good job of packing it. Hold on a second. Okay, I had to get the address out the way. So here we are. I looked at this and looked at this. I thought it was super cute. I don't have one of these type of Rowans. The ones that's multicolored or color blocking, I think that's what they call this. I don't have any of these. And I thought that this was cute. Oh, look at that dust bag. I almost cut through it. I like that. It's a dust bag, but you can see through it. I like that a lot. Wonder where she got these. I might could cover some of my bags. I bet you it wasn't expensive. All right, so this is the bag. Isn't it cute? I only hesitated on it because I'm like, I wonder if this is gonna match some stuff that I have. But then I just like I couldn't not get it. So this was $159, not bad at all. And I want to say the shipping was included. And we got the back pocket there with silver hardware. This is super cute. The leather on this is nice and smooth. I'm thinking that maybe this is like gently worn. I don't think she says on the website, but I think I saw that she included the tag. Let's see. So we got the slip pocket up front. It's brown on the inside. It's that fabric brown. Yeah. Oh, we got a gift here. All right, and so that's that. What's the name of that one? Let's see. Let's see when this was born. Ooh, 2024. Okay. Super cute. Super cute. Very clean. And then I like the contrasting strap. And that other one, I could use that strap, couldn't I? Let me see. Maybe. All right, let's see what my gift is. Oh, this is the name of hers. Okay. Super cute. Yay. I like that. So let's see. Oh, how cute is that? That's cute. I love it. And I love my Rowan. Super cute. And that's what I had to share with y'all. I got two. I didn't realize I was getting two brown ones. But the branding on this one is super minimal. I like that. I also like my the ones that have the signature. So I'm not an anti-branding person. I don't really like the big C's, but yeah, I like the signature print too. But I do like this one as well. It does really look good. But anyway, I thought that I would share that with you guys, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.